My name is S. Ramamurthy. I am working in Southern Railway as Senior Section Engineer in Salem Division. Now I submit one article as Monsoon Oriented Seasonal Freight Density Operation of Railways under Rolling Motorway. The paper ID for this article is ART 2019164. Let us start my presentation. Now I coming to the introduction. Future sustained economic growth of each country is only depend upon the proper utilization of renewable energy sources. It is the only solution for all challenges against energy security, mitigating of global warming, controlling of environmental pollution, and controlling of increasing price hike. My new invented system of monsoon-oriented seasonal freight density operation of railways using rolling motorway is the one of the best solution for proper utilization of renewable energy sources. I clubbing the monsoon energy and rolling motorway system for introduce the monsoon oriented seasonal freight density operation of railways using rolling motorway. I utilize the railway as big tool to control global warming and save the fossil fuels in this article. Since windmill energy and hydroelectricity are the main monsoon energy system, and by using this we can produce abundant amount of hydrogen gas which utilized for operation of fuel cells and the production of synthetic fuels. Another way is by using this monsoon energy system through the newly invented system of monsoon oriented seasonal freight density operation of railways using rolling motorway that can be done. Then now we see what is monsoon energy. In the world, two type of major renewable energy sources are available. One is windmill energy and the other is solar photovoltaic energy derived from sunlight. But windmill energy and hydroelectric energy from water resources are the major monsoon energy sources, and it can be generated during monsoon period of each countries and higher than other renewable energy sources. If we utilize this generated monsoon energy in proper way without waste, the necessary fossil fuels will be reduced and consequently global warming also will be reduced. One of the way is my newly invented method of monsoon oriented seasonal freight density operation railways using rolling motorway. For this, the major transportation of roadway of lorries and trucks should be situated to rolling motorway of railways system. Now we see what is rolling motorway. In the rolling motorway system, the long distance traveling of lorries and trucks carried by railway empty container vehicles called as bogie flat rail, which running under electric traction. Then these lorries and trucks are dropped at required terminals. This rolling motorway system under electric traction is more economical than electric traction road system. Since electrified road transport system will utilize electricity fourfold times than electrified railway traction, because the force of friction experienced by the flat tire wheels of trucks and lorries on road surface is fourfold time than the train wheels experienced on the smooth rails, as per the formula R equal to A plus BV plus CV square. Evidence for this less energy utility of railways is in India for 52% of the electric traction of total railway route is only 2 to 3% of the total generation. Now we see what is monsoon oriented freight density operation of railways. In each country, for better implementation of rolling motorway system, we have to establish more number of railway routes. Then only it can be that monsoon oriented system will be successful, going into successful. And also as well as more number of renewable energy source systems should be established. For this, installing more offshore windmills is the best solution for tapping of monsoon energy. Since due to increasing global warming and low pressure, the depressions are evolving along the seashores frequently with high wind speed. Then operating more number of rides including lorries and trucks under rolling motorway and booking at lower charges than normal period mentioned as monsoon special freight services space system during monsoon period of each country and carrying storable materials and transported from one end to another end called as monsoon oriented seasonal freight density of the operation of railways. Let us see what is the benefits of this system. One of the benefit is control the pollution due to tire waste created by the trucks and lorries going under road transport system. Since the depreciation of tires will be reduced while the lorries and trucks sent through railways. Also, due to this tire waste, the spreading of dengue virus also controlled. Then the rolling motorway under electric traction also reduce the air pollution. How? According to the picture shown below, 74% of the air pollution is due to road pollution only, road transport pollution only. The evidence for the air pollution due to road transport vehicle is air pollution found reduced so much during corona lockdown period when the movement of those decreased so much. Also, then another benefit is requirement of fossil fuels such as petroleum products and coal will be reduced and saved. Consequently, the carbon dioxide emission will be also decreased and global warming will be decreased. So, the system reduce in this way all pollutions. Also, the price hike of essential commodities will be avoided. How? Due to increasing population of the world, the number of vehicles also increased day by day. So, the demand of diesel also will be increased. So, we have to pay more number of amount for buying diesel. This causes for price hiking. That will be controlled by this system. Also, the foreign exchange currency saved. Employment for us will be increased. How? For importing oils, that petroleum products such as petroleum products, we have to pay more amount of Indian rupee against the dollar. So, we spending more money as foreign exchange in this way. That will be also controlled. For the above benefit reached to every one of the people, the railway should not be privatized. It should be run under government only. Also, another issue due to the waste of monsoon energy will be avoided through this system. How? Since in every year, even though the windmill energy owners creating more windmill through the more wind energy through windmills, we cannot be utilized in proper way. So, if we introducing this monsoon energy based railway system, this will be solved. Thank you very much.